Congratulations for being hailed as one of the awardees. How do you feel that the company is recognizing you as a leader?
I feel very much motivated and determined na ipagpatuloy kung ano man yung nasimulan ko sa company ito, and that I will strive harder to do the best I can para makapag-contribute sa success ng Lisensa.
As a leader and member, what are your expectations in the company?
We've grown so fast sa company na ito, and I am looking forward for a bigger and better 2015.
Where do you draw your inspiration?
My inspiration comes from my family and friends na nagtitiwala sa akin, and as well as dun sa experiences ko which I have learned. So, failure is part of success, wherein I took them as a challenge. I believe in myself that I can, and that leads me to my achievements here in Lisensa.
Any message for our president?
Thank you, Lisensa, for this opportunity, most especially to our beloved President, Attorney Grace Nice, and the management. Thank you for the trust and support. So rest assured that I will do my best.
What is your message for the members and prospects?
And to my fellow Kanisensa, be inspired. And alam ko naman na kayang-kaya niyong abutin ang inyong mga pangarap. Tutal, nasa Lisensa kayo. Kailangan lang natin itong pagtrabahuin at gawin ng buong puso.